Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we unpair our Bluetooth speak headphone to our Realme phone. Friends, I have paired this Bluetooth headphone and but friends I want to unpair guys. Now I don't want to use it. So how can you unpair it? In this video I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you're in my channel, so friends first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. Friends, open your phone setting and guys you can see guys this type of setting guys, click on guys your Bluetooth setting. So friends, you can see guys we have paired guys this Petron BT company headphone, Bluetooth headphone, and guys we will unpair. So right side guys icon guys tap here. So as you can see there are three options: device name, disconnect, and unpair option. And friends, one more thing guys, you want to change guys your headphone device name. So as you can change from here if you want. So I will not change guys, I will unpair only. So I will click on unpair option, then guys my headphone will unpair. Guys I cannot use guys, if I use guys I will have to pair again guys. So guys now we will off it. So like that guys you can unpair your headphone, Bluetooth headphone, to your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.